Sleep. It is absolutely critical to our physical, psychological, and emotional well-being. Although it is often neglected and overlooked, sleep is an essential function of the human body, which is a core component of our overall health. Whilst we sleep, critical organ systems such as your heart and blood vessels are undergoing healing, repair, and rejuvenation. It makes sense, therefore, that an ongoing period of insufficient sleep or poor quality sleep can have some serious consequences. Research has revealed that prolonged sleep deficiency and deprivation is related to a heightened risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, kidney disease, and even stroke. Fortunately, there are some simple lifestyle changes you can implement, which will dramatically improve your sleep routine. We create content for curious minds and inquisitive souls, so please subscribe to this channel if you love acquiring knowledge and learning. It is always recommended that you maintain a regular sleep schedule. You should try to fall asleep and wake up at roughly the same time every day. By doing this, you will program your body to respond positively to a set routine, and you will find that you'll be able to fall asleep more quickly, and you won't be waking up in the middle of the night before you have rested properly. Ensuring that you have a restful and tranquil sleep environment is also critical. You should be particularly attentive to the temperature of your room, because the warmer your room is, the more difficulty you will have in actually falling and staying asleep. Studies have found that a cool room temperature is one of the most significant factors when it comes to enjoying a good night's sleep. The perfect temperature for sleep can range anywhere from 15.5 degrees to 19.4 degrees, depending on whatever is most comfortable for you. The reason for this is because your body temperature lowers itself in the evening as the outside temperatures cool as well, and when this happens, it indicates to your body that it's time to sleep. The majority of people do drink caffeinated beverages in the morning in order to energize and prepare themselves for the day ahead. This is the last thing you need when you're trying to sleep, however, which is why you should avoid drinking coffee, tea, energy drinks, or colas in the evening. Caffeine doesn't only interfere with the process of falling asleep, but it also prevents you from being able to sleep deeply. If you want to drink anything before sleeping, then water, milky drinks, or herbal teas are the preferred options. Many people have a small nap at some point in the day, and napping is actually a wonderful way to reduce stress, increase alertness, and improve your mood. There is a small percentage of people, however, for whom napping can be detrimental. If you suffer from insomnia or find it hard to fall asleep and stay asleep, then napping could potentially worsen these problems by disrupting your sleep schedule. To prevent this from happening, there are some rules you should keep in mind when you nap. For example, keep your naps as short as possible and try to make sure that they don't last for more than 20 minutes. Avoid napping any later than 3 p.m. and nap in a place which is cool, quiet, and dark. Some individuals have trouble sleeping because they are stressed and anxious. One way to address this is through breathing exercises which will help you relax and calm your body. With the 4-7-8 breathing technique, you can do diaphragmatic breathing, which is particularly effective. First and foremost, empty your lungs of air and then breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold the breath for 7 seconds and then exhale through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat the cycle up to 4 times and you should find that you are in a much better state to fall asleep. If you have a tendency to lie in bed and think about everything you have to do tomorrow or what you've done the day before, then you'll struggle to fall asleep on time. Instead, you should dedicate a few minutes before bed to writing down your plans, positive events, and anything which made you feel happy. Although this might sound unusual, research has shown that it is an effective way to reduce stress and anxiety and really improve your sleep quality. Even if you usually sleep well, there may be some nights when no matter what you do, you just can't sleep. In this scenario, you shouldn't just lie in bed worrying or becoming frustrated about it. Instead, you should leave your bed and do an activity which you find relaxing until you feel ready to sleep again. Of course, if this inability to fall or stay asleep is persistent, or it is affecting your health, then you should definitely consult a health professional for advice, guidance, and possible treatments. We hope that you found this exploration as interesting as we did, and if that's the case, then please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for even more stimulating discussions.